sort of like I'm not no wolf. Okay. Feel way you look at me. I love the way. Woo, woo. Keep on forgetting what I look like, bro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Ay, bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, thick.
Hey, what is up, you guys? Nina Veana is here, and today I'm gonna do a last minute Halloween tutorial. We're not even gonna do too much talking. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright, basically this is like all the makeup that you guys have at your crib, but you can go ahead and go to CVS or something and go ahead and get. So let's get into it. Okay, we're gonna start off with the eyes. And I got inspired by this by Raw Beauty Christie, and I was just like, oh my gosh, like anybody can do that. This is a nice last minute tutorial. Brush. Yes, this concealer is lighter than my normal concealer, because this is the concealer I'm going to use underneath my eye. Yeah, you don't have to. You can just use your foundation or whatever concealer that you have on hand, but I don't feel like using two different concealers. Like that's ridiculous. Alright, you guys, now we're gonna go into voiceover time because my camera was acting stupid. So we're going to the 3503 palette basically this whole time, and a fluffy brush. I'm gonna take that pink shade right there and we're gonna put that into our crease. Well, kind of above our crease, because we're gonna go in with another color to go inside the crease. But this is just a nice little first layer, you feel me? And we're gonna go to the brow bone with this color, and I'm also pushing it towards the front of my brow bone to kind of shape out our nose for the future. Now we're gonna take this dark purple shade and we're gonna put that right into our crease with a smaller blending brush. You do not have to do this. The only reason that I'm doing it is because we're gonna put black on our lids, so I just wanted a nice transition. But if you don't have a dark purple on hand, the pink and black is just fine. Now we're going to go into the last color, the pink color. We're just going to go on the edges of the purple to help blend it out. Even though it's Halloween, even though it's last minute, I still want to blend my edges, you feel me? Now, remember that black shade that I was telling you about? We're prepping it right now with a black eye pencil. I'm just rubbing it along my lid. You by no means have to be neat with this. You see how messy I'm being. We're going to blend it out later. And I'm also taking the same eye pencil and running that on my lower lash line. Taking the finger, like I said, we're blending this joint out. And not necessarily to make it smooth, just to like, this is just a base for the black that we're going to apply later. Now, we is going in with the black. Now, key thing, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm holding my brush upside down. Only because black fallout is such a pain to wipe away. So just flipping your brush upside down like that will actually prevent the fallout happening on your cheeks. And then I'm taking whatever's left on my brush and kind of running it into my crease just a little bit. Kind of going on top of that purple, but it actually helps blend for later purposes. And we're pushing that into the brow bone like how we did with the pink shade, again just to shape our nose. And then with the lash brush that we use for the purple, we're using that to blend the edge of the black, so make sure everything is one. Now onto the face. My face is already primed. I'm going to get my pretty fresh ColourPop tinted moisturizer. Video is coming soon, do not worry. And I'm just blending that joint out with my favorite Real Techniques foundation brush. This joint is like my ride or die. Watch, this is going to change in the future. But as of right now, it's my ride or die. You feel me? Now, I'm going to take that light concealer that we use to prep our eyes, and I'm putting that underneath my eyes, okay? Only because we're doing a dead look, so we gotta make sure we're gonna be brighter in the center because it's gonna make it seem like or give the illusion that everything in the center of my face is kind of popping out, which is going to help us for the later purposes when we're going to go shadow. Everything's going to be kind of popping out because of that concealer. Then the shadow is just going to go ahead and just, it's going to be so nice. And I forgot that this shade just blends so much. A little goes such a long way. And we're going to go ahead and take this purple shade. I'm making sure to connect my outer corner of my shadow to this. We're going in the literal eye bag of your eye. And I'm not going any lower, any higher. This is literally my eye bag. I like to do my eyeshadow like while my foundation is a little bit tacky because I feel like it sticks better. And now I'm just showing you guys, you know, the full thing, you feel me? Now we're going to take that pink shade and we're going to go ahead and blend that line out. It's a little too harsh, so we just got to blend it out a little bit, give a more sunken effect. Now going into that green shade, you know where that little pocket is that's like that we didn't put anything in? We're going to put the green in there and kind of act like as our eyeball in a way, or as like our eye bags are green. I don't know. I'm not sure. But I have a tutorial coming on, or a first impressions coming on with this palette, so I have my thoughts about that green. Anyway, we're taking a fluffy smudge brush, and I was kind of just rubbing out the inner parts to make my eyes a little bit more circular, more dead. Now I'm just setting my face with translucent powder. Usually I do a tinted one, but for the dead look, we're doing, you know, translucent. Now with the same blending brush, I'm taking like a cool brown with a little bit of a purple undertone, and I'm going into like the sockets of my cheekbones. At first I did like where I usually bronze, but no, we want to go in the socket. And then so I went to go blend away with my finger, and that actually works. Like blending with your finger on the face is lit, you guys. Try it. If you mess it up, use a finger. You all good. So we're basically just creating our jawbones, our sunken in effect as of this point. I'm sucking in my cheeks, holding it in so I can kind of curve down to make like kind of like a jawline. If y'all remember the Wii, remember when the Wii used to be able to have people have like them cheekbones, you feel me? We're basically doing that. Alright, so this is the point where this is going to start to get deadly. I'm going in my smile lines, making sure there's shadow on that, and then we're going to go underneath the eye bags. We were in the eye sockets before, now we're in the eye bags, and we're going to emphasize that with the shadow. Y'all, I looked so deadly. I kept looking at the viewfinder like, dang, like I look crazy. It was ridiculous. And it's like so realistic. That's what I'm saying. Like the littlest bit of shadowing, like I look so different. Like do I not? But we're about to go ahead and go into regular Nina mode so you guys don't have to listen to my voiceover. I apologize for this, but my first voiceover, yay. All right, you gonna hear me regularly talking in a bit, but with the nose contour right quick. I'm not contouring. I'm literally going on the shape of my nose. I'm not going inwards or outwards or nothing like that. And then for the forehead, I'm just hitting the outer parts of my forehead because I just feel like that's gonna make it look real sunken in, real sickly. So that's why I went on the outer parts. I did not want to shade around the top of my forehead, only the outside. Which is a little bit lighter than my regular LeBron, so I'm taking a little bit of a lighter highlight, just to highlight like in between the two. Oops. And a little bit actually on the nose. And then I'm actually gonna put this in the center of the highlight of like the two contours that we put on our forehead to just give me a little something. For lips, taking whatever's left over on my foundation brush, taking my NYX liquid suede in the color black. I have a color on it, or Alien. It's called Alien. Not even just sound like the brim. Put my lips in between. Rubbing it sort of. Yes, that's nice. And then I'm going to take this. Any gloss that you would like, it really does not matter. I'm just going to take this pinkish one to kind of tie up into my eyes and the outskirts of the lips. I just did like a little bit, just some taps. Just to kind of give this dead girl some life. For this, I'm going to take the So Jaded palette by Kathleen Light's ColourPop. And I'm going to take the shade Onyx, which is a black shimmer. Gonna highlight the inner corners to give me even more of a dead look. I'm gonna let my hair down. Or should we put on a wig? I should have thought about that beforehand. Well, no, we're not putting on a wig because you guys are on the go. So this is my hair, what it's gonna look like. And my brows are this color. And this is what y'all are gonna look like. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you would like, I mean, it'd be nice if you guys would go ahead and hit that subscribe button all the way down below. It is red, click it, and then it'll be gray. And then right next to it, there's actually a bell icon. And then click on that, you get notified every single time I do post. Beauty videos are coming soon, people. They're coming soon, but I just wanted to do literally quick, fast, easy makeup tutorials, last minute. I gotta get out the door. Boom. And I only got a little bit of makeup, so this is what I would do. I'm probably gonna do this because this is actually kind of scabby. Like, don't I look kind of scabby? And then like what I would do too, I would wear like all black, and then I'll like take some black on my fingertips, run that on my fingertips, and then like kind of like smudge it down. I'll be everything. Stop playing. Hey, live your best life, you guys. Love you guys. Bye.